We've got some security protocols again, so tickets are now $53. It's a good thing on Saturday when I came. Didn't pay anything.
Tickets ready to scan and turn your phone up to full brightness. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving. Hi everyone, before you line up, please have your bags open, ready for inspection. Your tickets ready to scan and turn your phone up to full brightness. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving. Hi everyone, before you line up, please have your bags open, ready for inspection. Your tickets ready to scan and turn your phone up to full brightness. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving. Hi everyone, before you line up, please have your bags open, ready for inspection. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving. Hi everyone, before you line up, please have your bags open, ready for inspection. Your tickets ready to scan and turn your phone up to full brightness. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving. Before you line up, please have your bags open, ready for inspection. Your tickets ready to scan and turn your phone up to full brightness. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving.
Before you line up, please have your bags open, ready for inspection. Your tickets ready to scan and turn your phone up to full brightness. Thanks for helping us keep the Sydney Royal Easter Show moving.
Do you need a bit of more room?
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. Thanks, bro. Thank you.
Let's wait till the next the bag check. Yeah, good to go.
Thank you. Morning.
Scan your tickets. Thank you. Go on, bird.
Thank you.
Hi.
Cobblestones. Even though they're even, in a manual wheelchair is a little bit difficult. There you buy. Manual chair. Cobblestones go all the way down. Small cobblestones are everywhere. We'll just go over to where this they all can't get away from. Metal, whatever you want to call it. Looks a bit like a UFO, but more the name of the past, present and present athletes. Again, not the best service for a man in a wheelchair. At least the sky is a little bit overcast still. Motel over there, a hotel. Behind it there's another one, Pullman, Acor Stadium. That's looking a bit like a UFO. This is where everyone sits down and eats, obviously. Back on the cobblestones, we're going over to the dome. There you go, there's one attraction, Jamison Station. As you can see, there's not accessible wet dirt, no pathway for a wheelchair. So we're going over to this dome.
Yeah, 100%.
Tarmac road. Not quite sure what you call this surface. Let's have a look around. It's a little bit more smoother than the cobblestones. There you go. For little kids. A bit of everything here. So we're going to try and look for the entrance for the dome. So what's in there? It says, welcome to the Woolworths Fresh Food Dome.